Now I discuss about the balance of chemical reaction using ion electron method in basic medium. Before I discuss about the reaction balancing in acid medium, there was H plus ion present, so it is acidic medium. Now this equation OH minus present, so it is in basic medium. Now first we have to know which one get oxidized and which one get reduced. In case of zinc get two oxygen atom or added with two oxygen atom, so it become oxidized, and so it is oxidized. So it is oxidation, and the oxidation number also increases for zinc. There is in left side it is 0, and in right side it becomes plus 2, so oxidation number increases. And in case of nitrogen, it release oxygen and attached with hydrogen, so it become reduced. And according to the oxidation number, the oxidation number of NO3 N in NO3 is plus 5, and the oxidation number of N in NH3 is minus 3. So we can see the oxidation number decreases for nitrogen, so it become reduced. So this is the reduction half reaction. Now we first write the oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half reaction. Which one is oxidation half reaction? That is the only zinc to ZnO2 is the oxidation half reaction, and we have to balance the equation separately. Zinc atom present in both side equally, and now oxygen atom we have to balance with the help of oxygen. So we must write two water molecule, and to balance the hydrogen atom we must write the 4H plus in right side, and now we should balance the charge. No charge present in left side, and in right side minus 2 plus 4, 4 plus 1 plus 4, so plus 2 charge present. So to balance the charge we must write the 2 electron in oxidation half reaction. And I again remembering you the where the oxidation number higher, in which side the oxidation number higher and how much higher, we must write the number of electron in that side, and the number must be the number of electron must be equal to the number of oxidation higher than other side. Now the reduction half reaction, which one is reduction half reaction? This is the NO3 minus 2 NH3, and now nitrogen atom present equally in both side, and oxygen atom present 3 in left side, so we must write 3 water molecule in right side, and 9 hydrogen atom present in right side, so we must write 9H plus. And a charge present in left side in this reduction half reaction is plus 8, so we must write plus 8 electron in left side, because 8 plus charge higher in left side than right side, so we must write the 8 electron in left side. Now we should balance the electron. Here 2 electron present in oxidation half reaction, and in reduction half reaction there is present 8 electrons, so we must balance the electron by multiplying the oxidation half reaction by 4. So we get the reaction after multiplying, that is 4 ZnO2 2 minus 16H plus and plus 8 electron, and The reduction after reaction NO3 minus 9H plus 8 electron arrow দিয়ে arrow 9 NH3 3H2O, and now we omit the electron because 8 electron present in both sides, so we write 4Zn 8H2O NO3 minus 9H plus and 4ZnO2 2 minus plus 16H plus ammonia plus 3H2O, and we must subtract the same thing present in both sides. Here 8H2O present in left side and 3H2O present in right side, so we must subtract and write 5H2O in left side, and also 9H plus present in left side and 16H2O plus present in right side. So after subtracting we write the 7H plus in right side. So after subtracting we get the equation 4ZnO2 2 minus 7H plus ammonia. Now you can see here H plus present in this balanced equation, but no H plus present the given equation. Here OH minus present. This is called basic medium, but here no OH minus come into the balanced equation, but H plus comes, so it is in acidic medium, but the given reaction was in basic medium, so we need to convert the acidic medium reaction into basic medium. So we adding after we must add equal number of OH minus in both side, and the number of OH minus should be equal to the number of H plus present in the balanced equation. So we must we must add 7 OH minus in both side. 7 OH minus, and here we write 4ZnO2 2 minus ammonia and 7H plus and the 7 OH minus. Now 7H plus and 7 OH minus becomes 7H2O, and 7H2O if present in right side and 5H2O present in left side, then we subtract both 5H2O and 7H2O and we get 2H2O in right side. So 4Zn NO3 minus 7OH minus 4ZnO2 2 minus ammonia and 2H2O. This is the balanced equation of in basic medium, and this is the method how to balance the reaction of basic medium in with the help of ion electron method. So I think this can help you to balance the ion electron reaction in ion electron method in basic medium. Thank you.